Hey there, real estate agents. Karrie Hill here, lawyer turned realtor. And in this video, I'm covering keys to making awesome YouTube video content without hiring any experts to help you. Whether you're just starting a YouTube channel or you already have one, make sure to follow these tips to take your YouTube content to the next level. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's get to it. If you're looking for a great eXp sponsorship team, I'm with the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and we offer value that no one else in the entire real estate business is offering. And it's free. Seriously, no hidden tricks. By partnering with us, you'll be joining one of the fastest growing teams at eXp Realty, which is the fastest growing brokerage on the planet. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. Okay, on to the content. High quality content, sound and lighting. Creating high quality real estate content doesn't necessarily require expensive equipment. You can film your videos with your cell phone, which yields impressive results. However, here's the key. Pay close attention to the sound and lighting, as these elements play a significant role in the overall quality of your videos. Good lighting, which can be had with a couple of well-placed lights or just turning away from the sun just perfectly, ensures that your video footage looks inviting. Clear sound is also essential for conveying your message effectively. No one wants to listen to you talking while your voice is competing with loud background noises. Invest in an inexpensive microphone to connect to your phone. You can get decent mics for as little as $15 on Amazon. That's well worth the investment. By ensuring your videos are well lit and the audio is crisp and clear, you can create compelling content that competes with professionally shot videos, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Effective video editing. Now that you've filmed your content, it's time to edit your raw video footage. Of course, you'll likely cut out your errors or footage that doesn't add to your content first. And here are some more ideas to put your best foot forward in real estate content creation. Seamless storytelling with smooth transitions. The art of video editing lies in the flow. Smooth transitions are the backbone of professional looking content, guiding the viewer through your town, neighborhoods, and properties as if they were walking through it themselves. Whether you're transitioning from a restaurant to a walking path or a sunlit living room to a cozy bedroom, using gentle fades or sleek slide effects can significantly enhance the viewing experience. It's these polished transitions that knit your shots into a seamless narrative, keeping viewers hooked from start to finish. Inclusive engagement with captions. Expanding your reach means ensuring your content is accessible to everyone. Adding captions isn't just thoughtful, it's strategic, opening up your videos to an international audience and those who prefer watching without sound. Whether they're scrolling through YouTube while they're sitting in a cafe so they don't want to bother other people, or they rely on captions for accessibility to different languages, this feature ensures that no potential client misses out on discovering their dream home through your video. Crafting compact yet captivating videos. In today's fast-paced world, where attention spans are shorter than ever, crafting concise yet impactful videos is key. It's crucial to hone your message, trimming it down to engaging, digestible highlights without sacrificing the unique elements that sets your content apart. Avoid blathering on or diluting your video with unnecessary filler. Stick to what's relevant and central to your core message. A tightly edited video that swiftly captures and holds the viewer's interest not only shows respect for the viewer's time, but also leaves them intrigued and eager for more. Elevate with entertaining edits. To truly stand out, infuse your videos with elements that entertain as well as inform. Incorporating B-roll footage adds depth to your narrative, offering viewers a fuller picture of what you have to say about your town, neighborhood, or properties. Strategic use of stickers, sound effects, and dynamic pans and zooms can inject personality and flair into your content, making for a more entertaining viewing experience. These creative touches not only enhance the video appeal of your videos, but also significantly improve watch time by keeping viewers engaged and entertained throughout. Not sure where to start to decide on these entertaining elements? Watch the content of others until you find something that you find entertaining. Try to emulate that. Sky-high views with drone footage. Elevate your town tours, neighborhood tours, and property showcases with the magic of drone footage. This isn't just about giving a bird's-eye view. It's about offering a mesmerizing perspective that ground-level shots can't capture. Drone footage turns ordinary tours into extraordinary visual journeys, highlighting homes and places with stunning clarity. Does this sound expensive? Well, it could certainly add up if you're hiring a local expert for every drone shot, but you don't need to do that. Invest in your own drone. You can get one for under $400 on Amazon. Okay, I use DJI Mini Pro 3. It's a bit more expensive than the starter drones, but I appreciate that it has some settings for moving the drone in the sky. Without those settings, I'd have to do it manually, and I have found that the drone shots can be a bit jerky, and I have spent a lot of time just trying to get that jerkiness edited out. So the drone I use saves me editing time, which for me is worth the additional expense. Connect and clarify with live Q&A sessions. Another way to up your content game is to get more real with live Q&A sessions. This interactive format invites viewers to dive in and ask their burning questions, creating a direct line of communication between you and your audience. Tackling topics like the intricacies of mortgages or the specifics of closing costs during these sessions offers a prime opportunity to demystify the real estate process. It's a chance to directly address viewer concerns, simplify the complexities of the industry, and highlight your expertise and personality. And remember, you don't have to go it solo. Bringing in a co-host, whether it's a colleague or an industry expert, can enrich the session, broadening the scope of knowledge and insights that you can offer. This collaborative approach ensures your audience gets comprehensive answers to their questions. Unsure of how to kick things off? YouTube Live hosts these engaging streaming sessions. Do a Google search on how to get started. Mastering calls to action. Crafting compelling calls to action, called CTAs, in your real estate videos is crucial for converting viewers into active participants in your business. Here's how to effectively guide your audience to the next step. Grow by encouraging subscriptions. Building your YouTube presence hinges on expanding your YouTube base. During your video or at its end, remind your viewers to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so that they will be notified of the next time you drop some more valuable information. Offer value and personal contact. Conclude your videos with a warm invitation for viewers to connect with you directly. A simple yet effective CTA like, "To learn more or to see this property, reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below." This prompts immediate action and helps to make viewers feel uniquely valued. For those not ready for immediate action, expand your client base by offering a newsletter sign-up or a home buyer or a home seller guide. I like to make these CTAs as easy as possible for people. For example, you could say, "To get my free real estate newsletter, email me with the subject line newsletter." This approach builds your database of interested leads, providing you the opportunity for continuous nurturing, keeping you top of mind for when they're ready to make their move. By delivering valuable content regularly, you establish a relationship of trust and expertise. Amplify your reach. Promote sharing. Leveraging the power of sharing can dramatically extend your video's visibilities. Encourage viewers to pass your content along by saying, Found this guide helpful? Share it with someone embarking on their home buying adventure. This strategy not only widens your audience, but also enhances your credibility, as personal recommendations carry considerable weight. Targeting specific audiences. Now that you know what topics to cover in your videos, how to keep viewers watching your content, and how to encourage people to reach out to you, you can take your efforts a step further by targeting specific audiences, which can truly set you apart as a niche expert. This targeted approach not only attracts your ideal market, but also positions you as the go-to agent within that niche. Explore these potential focus areas to refine your content strategy. Guidance for first-time homebuyers. First-time homebuyers often embark on their property journey feeling overwhelmed and uncertain. Tailoring your content to demystify the home buying process for them can be incredibly impactful. Start with foundational topics, such as breaking down mortgage basics or strategies for saving for a down payment, presented in a straightforward, accessible language. This builds trust and empowers buyers to approach the buying process with confidence. Video ideas to consider include navigating your first home purchase, avoid these common pitfalls, and essential saving tips for your first home investment. Your goal is to be the reassuring guide that transforms the daunting into the doable for these buyers. Catering to the luxury market. Clients in the luxury market have distinct expectations and preferences. Your content should mirror the sophistication and the exclusivity that they're accustomed to, with a focus on high-end properties and the luxury lifestyle they are used to. Suggested video topics include a glimpse into your town's most opulent homes and navigating the luxury real estate market. Insider tips. Employ visually striking thumbnails and compelling descriptions to capture the attention of this discerning audience from the get-go. Spotlight on family-friendly living. Families looking for the perfect home prioritize factors like education, safety, and community. Videos that spotlight the merits of family-friendly suburbs, emphasizing aspects such as top-rated schools, neighborhood safety, and community events, can resonate deeply with this demographic. Demonstrating your knowledge of what truly matters to families shows that you're not just selling houses, but homes that fit their dreams and needs. Video concepts to explore include discovering your area's top family-friendly neighborhoods and what to look for in your next family home. Wow, that was a lot of information. If your interest in the real estate business has been piqued, or if you're curious to learn more about what eXp and the Wolfpack sponsorship team can offer, we've got you covered. Our videos on these topics should be showing right now, providing you with deeper insights and information. Thank you for watching and have a great day.